Through the research we do using the ARP platforms, we aim to gain important insights on the individual physiological responses to the environment. This understanding is key as it provides a baseline knowledge to how entire coastal populations may be performing under certain environmental conditions, hence helping us predict species distributions and ranges. These efforts are of particular interest and relevance to establish if species can react, can adapt, can persist under climate variability and extreme event, or if of the degree to which they are actually physiologically vulnerable. The research we do with the support of the ARP is central to the 2021 UN theme for the National Marine Week, which is life and livelihoods. If we are to continue enjoy our impoverished marine resources, we cannot underestimate nor ignore the individual responses of coastal species to the environment, as this early organismal signal likely translate into how well or not large numbers of animals, which are the populations, can respond to change. In a nutshell, this is what researchers at the ARP do, sustainably preserving biodiversity, one individual at a time.
With the support of the NRF SciAp Aquatic Ecophysiology Research Platform, my research focuses on the effects climate change, in the form of temperature variability and extreme weather events, has on the physiology of marine fish and invertebrates. My research mostly takes place along the warm temperate southeast coast of South Africa, in the center of a climate change hotspot, where I predominantly focus on the thermal tolerance and performance of early life stages, babies and juveniles, of fish and invertebrates from intertidal rocky and estuarine habitats. By studying the marine organism's body, its physiology, by measuring heart rate and oxygen uptake using the equipment at the ARP, we may begin to understand and predict how they would react to increases and decreases in temperature. These predictions are essential as it helps us determine whether certain early life stage fish and invertebrate species are shifting their distribution patterns to cooler waters to avoid warming, acclimatizing to warming waters, or adapting long-term to these changes. This research is therefore contributing to the National Marine Week's theme, Oceans, Life and Livelihoods, by providing valuable information on early life stages' thermal limits, which we may rely on for them developing into adults to be used as a food source for our country's population, as well as for creating jobs in the fishing industry, in turn developing livelihoods. The oceans are a very important part of the Earth's ecosystem, as they serve as a home for million marine species that provide important ecosystem services. Using our oceans sustainably is therefore important, as we need to ensure that these millions of species and the services they provide remain in order to ensure our survival. With the impacts of climate change increasing, the risk of these millions of species becoming fewer and fewer is high. So, protecting our oceans and marine life where possible is a necessity. Managing our oceans better requires action from all of us.
My BSc Honours project focused on bacterial respiration in estuarine systems in KwaZulu-Natal. Estuaries are important nurseries for many fish species which are utilized in commercial, subsistence, and recreational fisheries and can sustain high productivity through input of organic matter. This organic matter is made available to higher trophic levels by bacteria, which break it down by remineralization through respiration. Bacteria therefore play a central role in estuarine food webs. The aim of my project was to investigate this central role by measuring their respiration rates using specialized low-volume respirometry equipment provided by the NRF-SciAb Aquatic Ecophysiology Research Platform. This research contributes to the National Marine Week theme by highlighting the importance of the intricate interaction between bacterial respiration along with planktonic respiration, which can generally be overlooked. It is crucial for this type of information to be part of ecosystem model evaluation carbon budgets, which are generated for aquatic systems to assess its productivity. This plays an essential role in the underlying factors which facilitate fisheries management programs. These programs contribute significantly to food and economic security of nations worldwide. One of my favorite quotes by Sylvia Earle, while not directly linked to sustainability, draws attention to the ever-changing nature of our unique ocean system and reads, "Most of the ocean has never been seen by anybody, let alone explored. Even in the same place, every day is different, every minute of every day. It's a constantly dynamic system."